Hello everyone, and welcome to the first of many weekly videos that I will be sending you given the state of education at the moment. I'm actually really looking forward to the challenge that we have, because that's kind of what this is all about. And I'm excited to see what we can do from home or remotely or online, and maybe cut all the fat that we have currently during school anyway. So I hope you guys see this as a challenge and take advantage of the opportunity you have to literally change what we're doing in school starting really now. And I mean that. Also, I want to say truly miss seeing you guys every day. I'm wondering how you guys are doing. I hope everything's going well. I know it's really stressful, especially for the seniors out there. And I'm going to do my best to help ease that with you guys, in terms of what we're doing in class and just in general in school, and controlling what we can control. A couple things I want to say. One, this is a video I'm sending to all my classes. I'll have a personalized video every week, but this one I'm just recording in general, procedurally, how things are going to work, and just kind of reaching out since it's been a while since we've talked, and I'm sure you guys have heard a lot of different stuff going on here at the school. First of all, for online learning, we are officially supposed to start giving assignments and stuff April 1st, but we are front loading up until then and giving information. And I still have some tasks that I would like you to do leading up to, just so we're ready to go April 1st. I also want to say that how the weeks will run. So my weeks will run Wednesdays to Tuesdays, which I know is kind of weird because we would think traditionally it'd be Monday to Friday. But I'm going to run Wednesday to Tuesday just for a variety of reasons, one of which being if you have questions, this makes it easier for you to get a hold of me the day or days leading up to when the assignment's due, rather than trying to get a hold of me over the weekend. And then it also it might break up a little bit of what other classes are doing so that you have things spread out throughout the week. If that ends up being a problem, please reach out to me and let me know, but that's how I'm going to do it, just because it works a little better with the time that I have given the state of things right now. Each week you'll have specific tasks to complete, and I'll put those on Google Classroom or embedded in the video, or both, that I have for you each week. I'm going to try to keep the videos short. I know this will probably be a little bit of a longer video, but my goal is all videos to be under 5 minutes, if not, if they're a little longer, under 10. The first task this week is very small, so please see Classroom, and if you're watching this video, you've already probably seen it on Classroom. Just click the link or read whatever I have you doing right below this. My office hours, one, we're required to have office hours, but if you've ever tried to get a hold of me, I'm usually pretty dang good at getting back to people anyway. But my official office hours are every day, every weekday, Monday to Friday, from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. You can either email me. My email is rmoldenhow. It's just my last name without the R. 290@mygfschools.org, or you can call, if you want to write this down, the number is 701-746-2205, and then you would type in extension 6885. That goes to my voicemail. That gets sent to me in an email anyway, but if you want to just leave me a message, or you feel like you can explain things better over the phone, I can then call you back if you want, or email you, whatever you prefer. I will respond to any message I get within 24 hours, probably a lot faster than that, but at maximum 24 hours. I guess the only thing I have to close with would be, again, I'm really looking forward to the opportunity we have, truly. I think it's going to change the way we do stuff, not only now, but in the future. I think it's a great opportunity to change what we're doing in school, just because in almost all my classes we've talked about kind of the monotony of the things we do that really don't seem to have value. And I think that you guys will appreciate being able to find meaning in your own way and use your own time rather than the arbitrary 50 minutes each day for each class. And I'm excited to see how we respond to that. And I'm looking forward to seeing how you guys react to that as well. So I just want to say, once again, I miss seeing everybody. I look forward to seeing you guys in any video responses we do, and I look forward to seeing the work you're going to do. And I hope everything is as well as it can be given the circumstances. And I hope people are getting some rest and relaxation as well. Stay tuned each week for videos. Next week I'll have a video next Tuesday probably, if not on Wednesday. And yeah, bye.